Today in this lecture, I'm going to install the Proteus software. Okay, this will be server based licensing. Means for the licensing method, we will use server based, not the product kit by entering the some kit. We will use the server based. Okay, server based. Okay, so we will download the Proteus software first. Okay, so for downloading Proteus software, if you have the server license, then your organization have the some Proteus Proteus setup file, which is downloaded from some website, some Proteus setup file will be downloaded from a link. Okay, by entering some username and password. Okay, so your organization will provide this Proteus 8 means Proteus setup file. Okay, now from that Proteus software we will start installing. By first step, by obtaining the setup file, we will get the Proteus setup file, and this will be important is that this software will be organizational based. Means if your institute had have some server license, then only you will get that software. Okay, okay, there is also trial for version, that is the exceptional. Okay, so you have the Proteus setup file. Now we will install this septable. So I have this one here, it is Proteus 8.11. we will install this one. Okay, it is given by the Lab Center Electronics, that is the company name. Okay, now we will double click on that one, then it will be start installing. Okay, setup file on your computer, then choose the typical installation. We need to typical installation option, then we need to enter the key option. Means key option, choose the, for the key option we need to choose the online installation method, not the by product key entering. Okay, manual manner, we need to choose the online installation because we have the key by the institute yeah, which key, online installation key. So enter the provided server address. We need to enter the server address. The server address is this one, we need to enter this one, because by entering this server address, this is specific to your institute. Okay, different institute will have the different server address, because your institute downloaded the Proteus software from different username or password. Okay, so for in this case, for means for my case, I am going to enter this as the server address. Okay, Bihar. Okay, next we will import, next we will click next. Without importing any setting, we will not import any setting, so that it will be fast. Okay, then we will close the installation process. Then again, after closing, we will open Proteus software, which is like this one, icon will be there. So we need to click this one icon. Then after double clicking on that will open, and we need to enter the username and password. This is your given by your institute. Okay, for this case, this is your user ID ECE. Here will be number, the question mark will be number 10 9 8 6 so on, and we need to enter the after we need to enter the password corresponding to that user ID, and then we will start accessing that one. So we will start with the first step. Here is the Proteus software. I will share the link for this one. Okay, so Proteus software, we will open this one by double clicking on this one. Okay, no, now this will going to open. Okay, open, and this will install your software. Okay, so let's see, it will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. Proteus is very important for designing electronic circuit designing. So for this one we need to click yes. Okay, now we need to wait. Okay, now it can do. Okay, we need to take the next, we need to accept the agreement or license agreement. Here important, locally installed or server based license key, the key type. We need to use the cloud or server based licensing key, because we have the server base. So for running this software for your project, we need to connect the internet. It's mandatory. Without internet this will not work. Okay, but for the locally or installed license key, this will be different case. Okay, so server base, we need internet access. So now we need to enter the server address. Server address is given here, that is licensing Bihar. Okay, so we will copy this one. I will share this one also. Okay, now we will paste here. Now we need to check once. Okay, this is licensing dash as. Okay, next we will put. Okay, we need to not to click on anything, just simply next. We need to choose the typical and we need to wait. It may take some time. Okay, for using any microcontroller, for example 8151, we need to again install the MDK software, or we can say compiler. We need to install for the different microcontroller, different compiler. Okay, so that will be the second part. Okay, means after installing this software, if you are going to do the project in 8051 microcontroller, then we need to install the developer ARM kill microcontroller development kit MDK, and then we need to install the CSK compiler for 8051. Okay, we need to install a compiler so that we can code, because Proteus is a simulation software. Means in Proteus we will only simulate the circuits. For coding purpose, we need to install the uh, different tools. Okay, so for MDK installation, we need to go we need to search on Google. Okay, otherwise I will share that one also. You need to install that MDK software. Okay, after installing that one MDK, then we need to open the Proteus, and then we need to install the compiler, that is the CSK compiler or C51V961 for 8051. This will be your compiler. This will be act as a compiler. Then we will write the codes, and then we will write the codes in embedded C. Okay, and then we can easily compile. Okay, now I think it's installed. We need to wait some second or minute. Let's see. Okay, Proteus software is very important for electronic design, circuit simulation, है ना? And PCB design also it's important. Okay, so so you can see the many application. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, now it's okay. Now we will run professional 8. Okay, we will click this one, run. Okay, we will see what is it's came like this one. Okay, here noted here that in this side, that is the about, here nothing mentioned, not license, because because we need to close this one and again open that one. So it's came. Okay, on desktop one icon is came, that is the Proteus professional. This is 8 version 8. Okay, now we will double click and this will be opened. Okay, we need to enter. Now after clicking this one, it's going to open. By there will be some option like username and password. We need to you need to enter. Okay, the username password is it's came. Okay, so in this case it's came. Okay, now we will again check this one. Okay, okay, now we will open this one. Okay, now we will open this one. Okay, now it's coming username and password we need to enter. Here organization is Bihar. Okay, what is the username is given here, that is the Purnia COE/ECE. So we need to enter that one, otherwise you may copy this one up to this one. Okay, where this one Proteus, yeah, here it's okay. Username is this one EC10. Okay, let it be 10, and password we will enter password. This will be provided by institute. Okay, now we need to click this one, store login detail. Okay, now we will click here. Oh, it's showing this one, this server license is failed to response because internet is not connected. We'll connect it to one. Okay, after connecting, I think it's connected net. Yeah, it's connected. Now we will click OK. Now it's came. Now we will OK again. Okay, now it will come. Okay, now we need to wait some second or minute. Okay, let's see. It's waiting. Okay, it will come. Okay, then we can enjoy electronic design. Oh, it's came. Wow, it's came. Okay, here it's registered to this one, Purnia CO DST Bihar, this one X, etc. Now in this case we can use. Okay, for simulation we need to open project or new project. We need to select the open project for the simulation purpose. Like new project, we will click. Okay, then it will going to open. This one is the name, etc. Okay, we need to click next to replace existing. So we need to change the project name something 213, let it be. Okay, for example, okay, default we will select. Okay, this one is we need to select. We do not create a PCB layout. We need not to design the PCB layout, so we will go for default. Okay, next, no firmware project. Okay, simple project. Okay, finish. This will be going to open. Okay, it's a cam. Okay, now here we need to select the devices. P for picking the devices. For example, we need to select the diode. We will clear right here diode. Okay, it will come diode, generic valve diode. Okay, so we will select this one. Okay, it's came. Okay, now how to use this one? This will become, and we need to connect the circuit, and then we need to play here, then this will be simulated. Okay, so thank you. This is the first video for the installation purpose. Okay, thank you. In next video we will install the MDK software for compiler purpose. Okay, so we will use